Vlog, it's raining badly and we're going to an outdoor pool. I actually don't know if we're gonna be getting into the pool or if we might have to climb the fence or what. We'll see. We're in.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Honestly, I don't even feel like going swimming. I'm jumping in. Jalla. And my turn.
Is that the time not here? Where'd it go? Jump!
Oh shit! Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. Ash Vlog. So me and this guy are gonna try running on water from here.
That thing got so wet! Buddy, just belly flop! You got the...
Yo Vlog, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's actually like thundering. I guess that's what you could call it, thundering.
In the pool!
And we're in the pool, since we're just stupid.
Oh.
This idiot just fell into the pool.
Thank you! I'm gonna go jump in again. Move. Did he waterproof? Did he have?
We're gonna dip. I have your phone and keys, we're dipping.
Hold it, hold it.
Okay, just leave. Yo Vlog, look at this beast of a vacuum. Take some crumbs and they're gone. That is sick. Let's get some water on there. Oh, I put too much, that's my bad.